Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change activity type after uploading in Strava. So that's actually very easy. You just need to follow me step by step and let's make things completed. What I need to do guys, first is to launch or open up your favorites browser, and after that I want to go into the search bar and type strava.com. Alright, so after that, I just want to make sure that you already have an account, so you are signed in. If you are not, you just need to sign up with a new account. Anyways, once you are signed in, you will be on the dashboard or on the home page. After that, I want you to go into the training, into and again into my activities. Okay, so once you click on my activities, all your activities will be visible to you right here. So you need to find that activity you want to edit, and then you will have the for example, on the activity, you will need to look for a pencil icon or an edit button or even three dots, and then click on this three dots and you will see the edit option, and then you just need to click on the edit and you will have the option to edit your activity. So for example, you want to change the type of the activity, so you change that. Also, after selecting the new type of that activity, scroll down and then you will have the save option. You just need to click on save and yeah, it's edited. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.